Tired of that messy background ruining your otherwise perfect video? Let's ditch it. First, head over to veed.io. You don't need to download anything, it all happens right in your browser. Click that big, inviting upload your video button. A window will pop up, letting you choose the video file from your computer. Find the video you want to edit and select it. veed.io will upload your video. Once it's done, you'll see it playing right inside the editor. Now, look to the left-hand side of your screen. Find the background remover icon in the side menu. Click it. veed.io SAI will automatically detect the subject and remove the background. Give it a few moments to work its magic. The processing time depends on the length of your video. Ta-da! The background is now removed. You can choose to leave it transparent. Or, if you want to add a new background image, go back to the left-hand side of your screen and select the Add Image. Select a background image from your files. Now you have new background for your video. Finally, click the download button in the top right corner to save your amazing video. And you're done.